Hey everyone, what's up? Not Too Dead here for another Shacklemen challenge. We're going on to challenge number 7 now. And this one involves a little assistance from our good friend Clippy. Clippy the Clip. A little paper clip. He's such a handy little feller. That's for sure. Go check out Coxie's video. He gives Coxie a hard time over there. It's funny. Keep popping in over there. But this is what we're using, the TCH or Hyatt model, fold and rigid. Go check out the other fellow Shacklemen and all their entries into the challenges. We're going to be going on to challenge number 8 real soon. All kinds of cool fun and different ways that people approach it and problem solving. It's a neat little challenge. But anyways, let's stop yabbering and get out of some cuffs. All right, so we're going to lock them on this way. Hold on, use my chest there to close that one. Get these, I want to get these kind of tight, but I don't want to go too tight in case there's something wrong with the mechanism or anything like that, or anything breaks off in there with the paper clip. Could be a bad situation. So we're just trying to have fun here, you know what I mean? So I just loosened that left one a tiny bit. All right, now we're gonna set the double locks. Let me grab that. Got the key for that. The double locks is on the bottom here. Those little pins. So I'm gonna press up from the bottom and set those. Hear that one click. And we hear this one click. Come on, if I can find the double lock. Hold on. All right, double lock set, both sides. Worst case scenario, we'll just use the key to get out. The double lock's actually the easy thing to do. I already have a couple clips that I bent, you know what I mean, just to save time so you guys weren't watching me mess around with all that stuff. You know, it's kind of boring anyways. So we'll come right in from the top here. As long as I can get it in the keyhole, I shouldn't really need to be able to see what I'm doing after that. I can pretty much do this by feel, the double locks. All right, listen carefully. Maybe it's not in there correctly. Let me see. Okay, oh, there it is. That should be the double lock removed. Yep, it is. One paw press there. Go ahead and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Remove the double lock first. Trying to keep this in camera for you guys. It's always trickier once you have them on. That is for sure. You could do this on the bench all day long and it's super easy. There we go. That should be the double lock removed on that side. It doesn't take much. It's a real subtle click. Now, here comes the challenging part, because this is a split paw design in these cuffs. So you have to get the center paw out of the 3 to release them. So let's see. This is the tricky part. Maybe I can do it better this way. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to stop looking at the camera and actually kind of pay attention to what the heck I'm doing for half a second. Might be here a little while, guys, so I never said this was going to be a fast one. Bear with me. I've actually never done this before without it being on video, so this is the first time attempt at it. Ooh, it's getting there. It's close. It's close. Hold on. Reposition a little bit here. get one side. See, there's a trick too where you can do this and depress on the paw at the same time a little bit, but I don't think I can really do this with this orientation. If I had the cuffs the other way, I could press them down against the table. It's always easy until you put them on. All right, hold on. I might actually have to make them tighter, honestly. So at this point, I could always shim out. Oh, so close. All right, I'm going to try a different clip here real quick and a different approach. Who knows, we might be stuck in these forever, guys. I had only gotten this a few times to work before on the bench, so I probably should have... Oh, there we go. I just slipped off one of them. Probably should have perfected this more before I... Oh, if I could do the bow squeeze right now, I'd be set. All right, let's try a different paper clip here. A nice straight one again. It's kicking my butt. We're going to try a new clip. That's why we got a whole bunch of them over here on standby. Man, this is tricky. This is tricky. And it's like the longer you make it, the more flexible it is, so it just doesn't really help you any in this situation. I may have to admit defeat on this one and try again in the future. I was having better luck on the other side here, so we'll keep trying this side, I think. See what we get for progress over here. It's going all downhill now, folks. I really want to get it, but it's messing with me. I don't know. I'm not sure here. I know it's just the angle is a little funky here. I need to take a minute. Okay, here we go. Refocus, reapproach. Whatever you gotta do. Your hands start getting sweaty too, and that doesn't help. Everything starts slipping. It should not be this tricky, is what I'm telling myself. So very close. Trying to do this and lean forward too. All the little challenges that you get into with the filming, and it all just starts to make a little difference here. All right. Well, we never said we couldn't try to do a little something here, so we've been sitting in here long enough. We're going to try something. Come on, Clippy. You could do it, Clippy. If you can't do it, no one can. Oh, come on. Oh, it's so close. Oh, come on. Oh, so close. It keeps grabbing and slipping. Ah! Ah! It'll be a 20-minute video, y'all. Me fighting with handcuffs. Aha! Ha ha ha! Yes! Victory! I just put like a little bend on the end. Oh my goodness. That was too funny. There we go. Well, there it is. I should have tried that right off the beginning. Ah, it feels so good to be free. All right, that one was stuck in there. Well, there it is. Challenge 7. That one was a journey. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Like I said, check out all the fellow Shacklemen. You guys have a great one. Later on. It's open. Open is open.